Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how to create objects in Excel. Now let's talk about how to create Word document file. That's a Word file in an Excel. Now in order to do that, you go to the Insert. Now before this, in the previous video, we've talked about how to insert already created document, that's a video or audio or PDF or document file in an Excel. So you can check that video out. And this time around, we are talking about how to create the Word document file in an Excel. So in order to do that, go to the Insert tab. Now go to Object. Now in some versions, you may have Microsoft Word 97/2004 document, Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Word macro-enabled document. You may have Microsoft PowerPoint and others. Okay. So if you have that version and when check and yours you have it, you can just create also a PowerPoint as well. By this, I have a Microsoft Word document here, so I'll use that one as an example. So choose the Microsoft Word document. Now when you click on display as an icon, it's going to make it a small form, but since we want it to be in a big form, so let's leave it and now let's click on OK. So select the Microsoft Word document and click on OK. Now, as soon as you click on OK, you can see now this document, it has opened the Microsoft Word for you. So you can just type in, let's create a simple document and see. So this is our heading, okay, and let's type in learning. So you can format this. Okay, so let's choose this and can decide to format this. Okay, so let's see. So we are done. And let's create in a dummy text. Okay, so let's say we have this text. Now let's save it. So just save and let's close it. So when you close it, now the text has appeared in the Excel file. Now you can decide to increase the size. You can increase the size. Okay, so you can resize it. Okay. Now if you want to, let me resize it some more. Okay. So now with this, if you want to edit this, how can you do that? If you want to edit it, how can you do that? One, you can just double click on it and it's going to open in a Word document for you. Or you can just right click and go to document object. Now you see we have edit and open. So you can now edit it as well. Okay, so you can edit this. You can edit this as well. So okay, so you can edit this. Alright, so now with this, let's say when you open document, now when you edit this, you don't have to save it. Okay, now let's see if it's going to take effect here, because we haven't clicked this button. Let's see if it's going to take effect here. So let's close it then. Okay, so that is how it's going to be. Now, as soon as you close this, it's going to take effect here, and with the same formatting that you've done, it's going to take effect as soon as possible because it is located in this file. Okay, so whatever thing that you do here, it is part of this. So when you finish the document, just click on the close button and off. That's all. Alright, so that is a way to create a Word document in an Excel file. So don't forget to just go to the Insert tab Now go to Object and select. In case you have the PowerPoint, you can just create PowerPoint, and you can create Word document as well. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I think I'll see you in the next video.